Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to make your Beats Solo 4 louder. Now let's say for instance you're listening to music and you find that your Beats Solo 4 is not loud enough. You can simply adjust a setting and it will make them a bit louder. Now this only works for iOS devices, so that includes your iPhone or your iPad. So ensure that first you have connected your Beats Solo 4 to your iPhone or your iPad, and then from there simply select settings. And then within the settings, scroll down and find the sounds and haptic option. Tap on it. And then from here, scroll down to the bottom until you find the headphone safety. Select it. And if this option is enabled, this reduce loud audio is enabled, simply toggle it off, and that will make your Beats Solo 4 louder. So that's basically it on how to make them louder. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.